welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new video for today. So here in my channel. So yeah, everything that everything that you will see any videos in here in my channel is because this makes everything that you see, right? So either I am doing an everyday carry. He also was in my bag, was in my backpack, right? So, and it's also I'm also doing some reviews, yes, and also unboxing, and also sharing some of my accessories, right? So just like a physical DVDs, physical CDs, retro, and everything that you see here in my channel, right? So alright, so for this video is also I'm gonna make a new what's in my everyday carry, right? So today is we've got some what's in my retro EDC with a modern twist. Okay, yes, and we got some right over here, got some old and new, right? So, and it's also this is a pure nostalgic to everyone, right? So if you are into this kind of stuff, okay, let's go. So without further ado, let's gonna start. So before I will proceed, so be sure also to subscribe to my channel. So for the YouTube algorithm, that helps me a lot to make me motivate making more videos here in my channel, right? So I am open into anything. So if you want to, so yeah, just go ahead, and yeah, I appreciate all of that. Okay, so yes, here we go, guys. So let's gonna have to check it out, some of our retro EDC with a modern twist. All right, so okay, my backpack is still the same, right? So my backpack is still the same. This is still the same backpack that I use for my work also, and this is also the one that I use also for my everyday carry backpacks. All right, so since I don't have any backpacks that I can bring it up when I am also traveling or anything, right? So since I am still not eligible to travel, so I still have to earn money to my work, right? So since I've got some backstory about it, so I got terminated from work, so I just have to find a new work again. So I just having some trouble struggling with excuse me, so struggling with a previous employer, right? So yeah, so and then yeah, what happened is they terminate me. So yeah, today I'm still looking a job in the internet, but unfortunately there's no one contact me, right, to have an interview. So yeah, so just for now I am doing vlogs. Okay, so if you really wish and wanted me to monetize here on my channel, so all you can do is subscribe to my channel to support my wanting to support my channel is to subscribe. So sorry for my words, so sometimes I get trouble speaking, right? So yeah, so I think yeah, so because I have some diagnosed with autism, right? So it's because of this one. So yeah, so that's what's the problem also, right? So yeah, so I've been looking for a job in the internet. So yeah, there's no one calling me. So yeah, so that's why for the meantime, so I have to make a videos, right? So if you wish to help me, okay, so if you wish to help me to get me back, okay, so yeah, all you have to do is to support my channel by subscribing. Okay, so all right, so let's gonna start up with this one over here. This I have some in a small packet right over here. Is also my first and foremost is also this one right here is still my still my wallet, right? So it's still my card wallet that I use also, and it's also it is really so minimalistic, and also you can carry it everywhere, right? So yes, so and also for the music also, I'm listening to music is because I don't want, because I am not subscribing monthly in the subscribing monthly in the what is this? I forgot Spotify. So yes, this is an MP3, right? So this is the Ineos G3 MP3 player, and which is still a very good MP3 player if you wish not to distract with the social media, right? So all you have to do is listen all day long, all night long, or if you're in travel, or if you're in a travel. So yes, MP3 player is a one good thing, is a one good, like this one, right? So, and it's also the other one that I forgot is also I didn't is also for the alternate is my iPad Classic, right? So my iPad Classic is still got into it. So, and also I still also have an iPad Touch second generation, and also I have an iPad Touch fourth generation for MP3 player. So since I am an audiophile person, and also I really like listening to music, right? So, and also music also is my therapy, right? So music is also my therapy. So okay, let's get it over into it, to this one right over here. So I got some another audio. So we got right here is my SoundPlay headphones, which is a really good, perfect for your, and it's also a really nice, ear cuff right over here, and it's also a perfect listening to music if you are on the go, right? So perfect, and it's also and a really good one is also if you really wanted to have this kind of, right? So perfect, and you have, I think I bought this from Home Depot, right? So just a couple of bucks, right? But not that bad, right? It's because I still using this one. So instead of my earbuds, so this is a good option if you really wanted to. So I'm not to a big user for this one, right? So since the erase of the of the so this one is a really good one, right? And it's also I forgot to mention, I forgot to bring my, oh, okay, we're gonna put this one up. I'm gonna put this one over. I forgot to bring my CD Walkman, and also my Walkman, right? So I forgot to bring it up. So it's in the other house. So I forgot to bring it up. So okay, and also for the games, okay, for the games. Oh, I forget this one. So I also bring a charger for my for my gadgets also, right? So for my retro, okay, this one right here is also good. Type C. So since most of the technology today is now supporting USB-C, right? So all right, so here we go. So for the gaming is also I do have two gaming handheld that I bring, right, for the retro EDC, all right. And also this one right here is gonna be a pure nostalgic, right? So first is also I have my Mio Mini Plus. Okay, I got my Mio Mini Plus to bring it up, so to play all of the games that I really wanted to play, right? So all of it is in here, and it is a really good option if you really want to kind of retro gaming, right? So but if you want to play some games that it is exclusive for just one what is called I forgot the transport for the one. So my choice is also my PlayStation Vita right over here, and which is a really good one. So it's because I really wanted to have the PS Vita. So I bought this when I'm still on Philippines, right? So it is a really good one. It's a perfect, and also yes, it is also has a camera in which you can play. So this is just like the PlayStation Portable, right? So it's the upgraded version of PlayStation Portable, but it is a touchscreen already, right? It is also a touchscreen, so right, and it's also a really nice one if you really wanted to have this, right? So yes, I bought this for I forgot the price for this one when I bought this on Philippines. So I just bought this on the marketplace, right? Facebook Marketplace, and it's still working. Okay, it's still working. I'm still using games like this one, right? So when I am not doing anything, right? So and it's also a good for travel also, right? If you are into kind of this one. All right. So next is also let's go over to the photography, right? So let's go over to the photography. So I have three I have three cameras bringing it up. So the one is the one is a portable one. The one is also have a nice quality, and also the other one is also a very good, and also you can print, right? You can print picture. All right. So first and foremost is also I've got my Vivitar VEC Vivitar Pop Snap VEC S124, which is I really like it a lot, is because it is so compact and portable. So being nostalgic, being a retro person, being an old school person, is also really wanted to have a digital camera. So no cell phone, right? No cell phone. This just only one, right? No cell phone, no taking pictures on the cell phone, right? So this is the only one that I have been using. All right. So next is also this one right here is which also I can, I'm gonna put this one over here. Okay, so this one right here is also I really like this one. This is the Kodak. This is the Kodak EasyShare Z612, in which I can put this one right over here, and which all gonna be taking pictures, right? Taking pictures nice places, right? So it is a really good one, is because you have to take it off, and then if you have to turn it, if you want to turn it on just like that, and then here it goes. It is already, yeah, look at that. So yeah, it is, that was taking a picture. Okay, I forgot. So as also this is one that are really nice good, which is because this one right here is also as a handle, and if you want to take a picture right over here, this one right here is gonna be opening up. Okay, like that one. Yeah, look at that. So this is a perfect photography if you wanted to have that. It's because there's also a viewfinder right over here, in which you can use that one if you are taking a picture, just like that one, right? But since it is closed, you cannot see, right? So, but since it is closed, you cannot see. So, you're gonna have to click that up, and then you're gonna have to go right over there, and then you're gonna have to go to the viewfinder. Okay, I forgot. So, I still not open the view. I think the viewfinder is closed, right? So, okay, there you go. So, I just have to forget. So, you're gonna have to use that one, and then, yeah. You can use the viewfinder to get the exact, to get the exact picture that you have taken. So we got to go back to this one, and then gonna go back to the LCD right over the monitor right over here, right? So a perfect photography also if you really wanted to have this kind. So yeah, Kodak EasyShare Z612 are really good. If you cannot buy. What is it? So I bought this in a thrift store, right, for a couple of bucks, right? So since it is a bundle, right? They got a printer, they got the charger, also the docking charger in the printer is also. I already make a video for that one, so right, and that's a bundle, right? So printer, paper for the print, okay, for the pictures, and also the docking charger and the charger also, right? Yes, very good, and also I really like it a lot. So yeah, I think you can, and also I think I can charge this one into by plugging, right? So it is a mini USB, right? So, or a mini USB, and it's because right over here is also, the charger for the charging dock, right? So yeah, gonna have to like that one. So it's because since you can charge it up right over here, right? So, and you can take all of the pictures that is over here, and then sync it into your laptop or PC, right? All right, so next, okay, we're gonna put this one. So since I don't have space anymore, all right, so yeah, gonna have to put this one right over here, and then also let's get over onto the next one, and which is also I really bring this one. So yeah, so if I wanted to have some memories on it, yes, this is the perfect one for you to have this one. So this is the Fujifilm Instax Mini SE, and which is a really good product, and also I really like it. So it can print. So I really wanted this a long time, right? So the Philippines also sell this one, right? Philippines also sell this one, and it's also a really good one. Is because it is a colored picture. So I also have another one of this, is the Vivitar. It's also a black and white picture, right? So, but since this one right over here is the colored one, so this is rollback price for the 55. So 75 is the price of this one. when I bought this, it is on rollback price for the 55 in Walmart. So yeah, greatest pickup of all time. That when I bought this one. So this is a good one if you really wanted to have some memories. And if you wanted to have some memories that you want to print it on the go, right? So this one right here is a good and a perfect, like this one, right? So yeah, and it's a really good and a nice. It's a really nice, right? A really nice camera right over here. Retro camera with a modern twist. Alright, yeah, this one over here is a really good one. Alright, so on to the last, onto the second to the last, okay. Travel video vlogging, okay. Gonna have to travel video vlogging is also, I really bring this one right over here. This is the Vivitar, excuse me, so this is a Vivitar, right? So a camcorder from the Vivitar, and which is I really like it a lot is because it is so clear and crisp. I really like the quality of the video of this one. So if you wanted to have some memories of your travel, yes, if you wanted to have some memories of your travel, this one is the perfect. This one is the perfect camcorder if you really wanted to have this one. So it's a cheaper price, okay, not so bad for the price, not so bad, all right. And also I really like this one is because I can put some what over here I can put some mic, right, shotgun mic over here. So I also have a shotgun mic, right? I also have a shotgun mic which I can put this one right over here. It is a really good. It's also I really like this one. It's so perfect, right? It is so perfect, and it's also rechargeable also, right? These are rechargeable. So yeah, gonna have to okay, I forgot how to open this one. And this one right over here is the battery, right? Yeah, and then you can close that up, and then you just have to open this one right here, and then you just have to like this one, right? So if you are into that kind of, yeah, look at that. So yeah, I have to make a selfie video, right? This is a really good, perfect also, right? So from the other one that I bought from Timo, right? So yeah, it's also a really nice. This is also a really nice video camcorder, making some memories from an old camcorder. Yeah, camcorder with a modern twist also, right? Yes. So older camcorder is not a rechargeable battery, but others also has a rechargeable battery, right? But you have to insert some AA or AAA videos for just like that one, right? So all right, on to the last one is also I really need to bring this one also, right? Okay, I really need to bring this one. So I did bring my tablet. So yes, and also I forgot to put also my laptop also, right? So yeah, I bring my own 11 inches tablet, right? So this is the on, and also I bought from Walmart. It's a really good tablet also if you wanted to have some quiet. Alright, also, and also insert for my laptop is also I am using my Acer Chromebook, right? So it is also a Chrome OS version, Chrome OS, and it's also a really nice one. Also got some 128 gigabyte, okay, 128 gigabyte of memory. So I think I already make a video for that one, right? So I think I already made a video for that one right over here. So if you want to check that out, okay. So yes, a perfect retro EDC. A perfect retro EDC with a modern twist. So I really like this, kind of EDC. If you really want some more EDC right over here on channel, check it out. Okay, and also check it out some of my old EDC videos here in my channel. Okay, so when I am still on Philippines, right? So alright, I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, hold on a minute, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of our current future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.